welcome to Android Hawaii here on YouTube. My name is MJ. And so I wanted to get this video out. Maybe I should have put this out first, but I think that this is a really important video. These are a few things that you need to know before you get involved with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin.
Hey guys, it's Kaylin. I'm sure you guys are pretty bored watching my daddy's channel, so come on and check out my channel, Just Try Again TV. And you can follow him if you want, but follow him just for me.
Thanks, Kaylin. So yeah, that's Kaylin, the one that my boss right there. That's Kaylin. She's doing good. Okay, so let's get into, and she does have an awesome channel here on YouTube. It's called Just Try Again TV, and make sure you support her and check it out. So these are the three things that I wish I would have known in the beginning before. And they're important because they're going to save you a few bucks. It's going to save you a little bit of money. And the first one I'm talking about is gas and fees. Now, a lot of people don't know about this and they find out after the fact, but this is with Ethereum. So if we go into, we're just going to pull up another tab here. Hold on just one second. I'm going to show you something about Ethereum. So Ethereum is something that you need to know about. And Ethereum is basically the second largest token in crypto. And here we go. So a lot of these coins here below, and we keep going down, not Dogecoin or a lot, but a lot of these tokens are based off of Ethereum. And they produce what's called a gas fee. And let's talk about the gas fee. Gas refers to the unit of measurement, the amount of computational effort required to execute a specific operation on the Ethereum network. So that's basically sending information or your cryptocurrency back and forth. So in other words, if you send Ethereum or Ethereum-based tokens, they're going to cost you money. And in fact, they're going to cost you big money right now. The gas fees on Ethereum are so high. I mean, I don't even know why people are investing in it. It's just, to me, Ethereum is just, it's a rich man's token, and it's the fees are too high. Let me give you an example. So CryptoKitties is a non-fungible token. It's like a digital collectible. We'll talk about that on another class. But there was a gentleman on Reddit who was explaining that he was spent like a lot of money. They wanted like $2,000 just for the gas fee to buy like a $30 CryptoKitty. It was ridiculous. So before you send out your Ethereum, or if you have an Ethereum-based token, make sure you know what the gas fee is, because you might not be comfortable paying that much. And this is a problem that they've been trying to solve. There's other tokens out there like Cardano and a couple others that are willing to take its place, Doge. So you might want to think twice when it comes to Ethereum. So I just wanted to get that out there. Now, another thing I want to talk about is Bitcoin whales. What is a Bitcoin whale or a cryptocurrency whale? And basically what whales are is they own a Bitcoin whale is a term that refers to individuals or entities that hold large amounts of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. That's the definition here. And they exist. As a matter of fact, a lot of this information is available online. You can look it up and you can see, there's X amount of people that own, this much Bitcoin. So these whales can have a tremendous effect on your investment. That's why you need to know the difference between being an investor and a day trader. If you're a day trader, I mean, good luck. It's day trading and I just invest and I teach the tech side of this. But when it comes to whales, they can have a tremendous effect on your investment, psychologically speaking. So let's say you went to bed and you wake up in the morning and you look at your $1,000 portfolio and now it's worth $750. You're like, what just happened? And a whale just dumped. You might panic right there and think I'm going to sell everything. But that brings me to my third thing that I want to talk to you about, and that's volatility. So you have to know that before you get into this, or before you attempt to get into Bitcoin, there is a level of volatility that is pretty crazy. There was a time, matter of fact, we'll go back over here to the other chart and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But 2017 was a crazy year for Bitcoin. And it had some extreme highs and it also had the extreme low walking into the following year. So and when we're talking, I think from, let's look here, it was from November of it was from March of 2017 to May of 2017 to December of 2017, it went up 7,000. And then the next month, it swung just as much. So you can see that, with cryptocurrency, this is something where you need to talk to your financial advisor. You need to talk to people that know the finance side of this to make sure that, you're doing the right thing. Obviously, we're not here to give you financial advice. We're here to teach you the tech side and kind of like show you the things that are available here that can help you out. And CoinMarketCap, we're going to do a complete video on CoinMarketCap here this week so you guys can understand the benefits of CoinMarketCap, because there's a lot of benefits to it. But, I would tell you, if you're coming into this, make sure you understand the volatility, make sure you understand that there's whales out there, and understand Ethereum has these high gas fees. So if you can accept those things, then it's not going to be, or if you know about them, it's not going to be so shocking when you see the price for sending so much Ethereum, or, the fact that you woke up in the morning and your investment's lower, much lower. But then the following day it could double up, and that's how it is in this crazy new world of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. If you have your own thoughts, go ahead and leave your comments below, your own suggestions. Maybe you know something about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin you want to throw in on the conversation here, please do so. And this is MJ. Look out for our videos. We're going to be producing them almost daily. This is for Hawaii residents, because we're always late in the game, but not too late. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. You can also send us an email, androidhawaii@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.